theft and IT Act 2000. Sandeep was working in an insurance company as an insurance agent. After few months, he left the company and joined another insurance company and started selling insurance policies for his new company. After few days, he was shocked to know that his previous company registered a complaint against him alleging that Sandeep had stolen the data of those clients to whom he had sold insurance policies through his previous employer. He had misused the data with dishonest intention for converting those clients through his current employer. This is a clear case of data theft, which is a serious offense under IT Act 2000. Let's see penal provisions in IT Act 2000 about data theft. In such cases, data means information and facts which are intended to be used for being processed through computer system. Data may be in the form of magnetic or optical storage media, punched cards, and it may be internally stored in the computer. Data may be personal data of individual including his basic details such as PAN, date of birth, Aadhaar data, passport number, bank account number, credit card number, driving license number, etc. Punishment for such offense. IT Act 2000 contains stringent provisions for theft of any data from computer system or computer network. If any person dishonestly indulges in data theft activity, severe penalties have been provided in the IT Act under Section 66. Section 43 of Information Technology Act 2000 states that if any person downloads, extracts or damages any data from a computer system or computer network without permission of the owner or person in charge of computer system or computer network, or damages or causes to be damaged data in such computer system or computer network, or destroys, deletes or alters information residing in a computer resource, shall be liable to pay damages by way of compensation to the person so affected. Also, Section 66 of Information Technology Act 2000 states that if any person indulges in any activity of downloading, extracting or damaging any data from a computer system or computer network with dishonest or fraudulent intention, shall be punishable with imprisonment up to 3 years or with fine of rupees up to 5 lakhs or with both. Section 72A of Information Technology Act 2000 states that if any person who is having secured access under lawful contract to any material containing personal information about another person discloses such information without the consent of person concerned in breach of lawful contract, shall be punishable with imprisonment up to 3 years or with fine up to rupees 5 lakhs or with both.